Alright, welcome to School of Chemistry. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please subscribe. We are trying to look at the possibility of attempting 1,000 past questions in JAMB, WAEC, IJMB, NECO. So following us will help you a lot. If you're on Facebook, follow. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe. Leave your questions in the comment section. We'll reply to every question. Alright, the question before is, the IUPAC name of the compound below is, and this is the compound. Now, simply all you need to do is to follow the rule in naming organic compound using IUPAC system. Well, first of all, deduce the parent alkane by choosing the longest chain. And here we have a straight chain carbon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So first thing, we have a butane series. Now, second is to number this chain from the side that give the functional group the smallest possible number. But if you look at the functional groups that we have, majorly there is no distinct functional group here. All the substituents we have there are halogens. But in these halogens, there is an order of electronegativity. If you look at the periodic table, all the halogens are in group 7. But as we move from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. Meaning that in these substituents, fluorine, which is on top of the group, will be more electronegative than all the other elements, the chlorine, the bromine, and the iodine. Meaning that the chemical property of this compound will be highly dominated by the fluorine atom present. And therefore, we will number it from the side that give the fluoro group the smallest possible number. And that is from left to right. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see if you number from this side, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and fluoro will be on carbon 3, and that does not give it the smallest possible number. Now, the next thing is to name our substituents. And first, what are the substituents present? We have here, this is chloro. Here, this is fluoro. We have bromo, and then iodo. We name them. And how do we name them? We name them alphabetically by indicating their position on the carbon chain with the number of the carbon on which they have been substituted. For instance, if you are naming chloro now, we're going to name this chloro. And we'll tell people that the chloro is on carbon number 1. And because there are 2, we'll tell people there are 2. One chloro is on carbon 1, the second chloro is on carbon 1. And we'll tell them there are 2, we'll say 1,1-dichloro. But when we want to start the name of this compound, I will name them the substituents alphabetically. So from chloro, between fluoro, chloro, bromo, and iodo, the bromo comes first. And we're going to name it first. And on this carbon chain, bromo is on carbon number 3. And there are 2 bromo atoms here. So we're going to say 1 bromo is on carbon 3, comma, the second bromo is on carbon 3. And then, because there are 2, now we'll say di-bromo. That's for the bromo. The next alphabet close to B is the chloro, which is C. So we're going to name the chloro now. We have the chloro is on carbon 1. There are 2. 2 of them are on carbon 1. So we're going to say 1, 1. Because there are 2, we say di-chloro. The next one is F, which is close to C. I'm going to say it's on carbon number 2. So we're going to say 2, 2 difluoro. And the last one is the iodo. It's on carbon number 4. I'm going to have 4, there are 3, 4, 4 tri-iodo. And now the parent chain, which is butane or the root hydrocarbon, I will say iodobutane. So the correct name of the compound will be 3,3-dibromo, 1,1-dichloro, 2,2-difluoro, 4,4,4-triiodobutane. So this is how to name this compound. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscribe button. And if you are following us if you are on Facebook, click the follow button. 1,000 question is coming your way, and I believe there's a whole lot to learn.